Okay, this is a crab. It is a boy crab. See this long thing here? That's boy crab. They're less argument to eat because they have less junk in them than the girl crabs. So it's a better purchase if you want to buy crab. But some people just eat them all, but these are the best. So here we go. I'm going to show you how to dismantle and eat a crab. I think that's the lungs.
Mm-hmm.
What's all that yellow stuff?
That is his food and also his digesting system.
And the lady at the market says that's her favorite part, the yellow stuff.
Mm-hmm. Because it kind of has more protein in it. And what you want to do is you basically want to rinse it out if you don't like it. But for my taste, see all the meat in there? What you do is rinse out the little yellow. You've got crab meat.
Unless you like to eat the yellow, but
it's completely up to you. Then, most people know how to do this. Separate the claw, pull it to the opposite way, like trying to bend the finger back. Pull it, got meat.
now this is steamed crab. It's already cooked.
Mm-hmm. You got meat in there too, because that's the joint. And then you got all the claw meat. And then as you go down further, now it might be easier if you just take all this off, but see, like I just cracked that open. Same thing I did with the claw. It's got meat in it. These have a little bit of meat. I wouldn't suggest eating these parts right here, because that's the bad part. That's basically their swimmers and meat that probably won't be tasting really good. It's gonna be like the garbage meat.
But you can eat these parts.
You can eat the ligament, yes.
Yeah.
That's right here, this last little piece. But if you are really gutsy, you could do that. Rest of them, same thing. Now the feeler and swimmer leg, which is the back hind leg of the crab, you're not going to get anything because it's just see-through. There's no meat in it. It's just a fin. Now this part, maybe, if you're lucky. Then, as you get through this middle part, if you get all meat out, you basically cut through the skin just slightly. And you get into there, and it reveals the more meat.
Let me see you do that claw right there.
Same thing as with the other one.
You open it up. Break it open. Now in Nola, this is what they call. It's so good. Slap your mama! It's so good.
Cut the mouth off. And there, you've got a big chunk of meat. All I could do is de-shell.
Alright, well, thanks for showing us how to do that. Everybody have a great day. And it's free to subscribe to my channel. And if you thought that was pretty cool and interesting and very educational, then give me a thumbs up. Love to you, Big Red.